In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best olives in the world. Olive trees grow best in a subtropical climate. The olive fruit can take about 3 to 4 months to be ripe and ready for harvest. Once the olives start to turn cherry black in color, they are ripe for the picking. I recommend harvesting before the fruit begins to fall to the ground. Olives are a good source of vitamins. If prepared well, they are a tasty treat for the right palate. Once you have harvested, you can dish them and separate your black Kalamata olives from the mixed colored Neapolitana and finally the green olives. And now you can wash the olives. Score the olives with a small knife by cutting through the skin on opposite sides of the fruit. Be sure to make your cuts deep but not through to the pit. This scoring expedites the curing process. Olives are extremely bitter, and by curing the fruit in a brine solution, the bitterness is drawn out from the fruit, making them ready for marination. The quickest way to cure your olives is to soak them in a simple brine mix, remembering to empty and replace daily. A basic brine mix is achieved by adding a quarter cup of salt per 1 liter of water. Submerge your olives in the brine. The olives will want to float, so help keep the olives completely submerged by using a dish or even a weighted cloth. Make sure to put a lid on your brining vessel and keep stored in a dark space, allowing for a balanced cure. If you take a disciplined approach and you have remembered to replace your brine daily, this process may only take 3 weeks, and your olives will have lost most of their bitter taste and they will be ready for a marinade. To each their own. Everyone has a favorite marinade, but mine is best, so there is no need for you to get creative. For our marinade, we infuse a virgin olive oil. The key flavors to our marinade is chili, garlic, and a fennel seed. We also add the pink rock salt and a mix of white vinegar and red wine vinegar. And don't be shy. The oil infuses slowly, and the flavors from the herbs and the spices will be inhibited by the oil until the infusion is complete. With this in mind, it is better to add more than less. For the best marinade, start with 1 part olive oil to 2 parts vinegar mix. It will depend on the size of your harvest, but let's just say for each liter of base marinade, add a half cup of chili flakes, a half cup of garlic granule, and a half cup of fennel seed and rock salt. Once you have added all the ingredients to the mix, give it a good whisk and help along the initial infusion. Place your olives in the disinfected jars and add your marinade to each of the jars, stirring the oil mix as you go, making sure the oil comes to the top of the jar. Finally, add a sprig of rosemary and a bay leaf and seal the jar to store in a dark space. The oil infusion will get better over time, and so will your olives. Try to allow for a month for your olives to marinate, occasionally flipping the jars to agitate the oil-vinegar contact. Before you know it, you'll find the flavor has penetrated the fruit, leaving a good balance of bitterness and flavor.